Sorry about that. My camera went screwy on me. But I was saying it's been a couple minutes and the glue is hardened. I really like the super glue and baking soda technique. It has glued up several things for me where other glues have not. Yeah, it looks like crap, but it serves the function. I can take some black permanent marker and color all this in. So I like it. I hope y'all like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And all I have to do now is put the piece in here, which I took out just to glue this down. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.